Hello, and welcome to another telekinesis video. Today, we're talking about the question, should you give up on telekinesis? Throughout the past 6 weeks, I've been talking to a young gentleman through email. And this young man, he doubts himself. He doubts the idea of telekinesis because he's had almost no progress in telekinesis, whether with the old method nor with the new method. No progress whatsoever. And this young man is very frustrated. He's frustrated and he asks me, should I give up? Should I stop learning to do telekinesis? Is there any future for me in telekinesis? And I'm sure there's many people like that out there. So let me tell you what I told him. I asked him, since you've been practicing telekinesis, has your life improved or did it get worse? And this young gentleman, he said, it got better. I didn't even think about it, but it got better. Why, Guru? I had no success in telekinesis, but my life has improved. Tell me why. And that's the beauty of telekinesis. After I answered his question, he realized what he's been doing all this time. He thought he was doing telekinesis or practicing telekinesis. But what he's actually been doing is way more powerful than telekinesis. I asked him, why can't you do telekinesis? Have you been following the 5 rules? He said, the 5 rules? Yes, I have. For everybody who doesn't know what the 5 rules of telekinesis are, or 5 steps, whatever you want to call it, it's keeping your environment clean. It's being grateful for the big and small things. It's doing your work first. And there's 2 more. And because he's been following these rules and other techniques like breathing techniques, and he was meditating, all these things have improved his life and he hasn't even realized it. Telekinesis itself, it's just a side effect of this channel, of my method. It's just a side effect. It's not what I'm trying to teach you. What I actually try to do is to help you to improve your life. A life which didn't even maybe need improvement, but lives got improved. Your lives got better if you've been following the rules. One other rule is eat healthy. If you tell someone to eat healthy and then he's going to be able to do telekinesis, it's a much stronger motivation than saying eat healthy and you will be healthy. That's not very interesting, right? But I learned following these rules, I wasn't in shape my whole entire life. I started to eat healthy. I started to do my homework. I was grateful for those things, for everything. I followed those rules. That's how I established those rules. That's how I improved my life. And my masters, it was multiple. They did the same thing with me. I was a young man, tried to learn how to use my mind to move objects. I asked for guidance, and they gave me guidance. They helped me to improve my life. And I almost forgot what I started. My life got so good, and I was successful and happy. I found love, and the telekinesis came by itself. I suppose the lecture of this video is: don't be frustrated about the things you don't have, and be grateful for the things you do have. Telekinesis will come by itself as soon as everything else is in order. Do you want to give up telekinesis? Do you want to give up improving your life? It's almost the same question. Thank you so much for watching. I know this video is probably not what you expected, but I made this video to push you back on track. Gave you a little motivation to keep improving, keep being ambitious, keep loving, and one day you will learn telekinesis. Your life is gonna be amazing, but most of all, you're gonna be happy, just like I'm happy. Thank you so much for watching. If you have questions, let me know in the comments below.